Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, my name is Sabrina Isabel and welcome to my channel. And today's video is a collab and it's with Defining Glamour. Yay! So me and my girl Hina here in YouTube actually came together to collab something for you guys. So we decided of doing a first impressions. So my first impression has a lot to do with all new makeup. So if you want to know what products actually I use on my face, just keep on watching and we will get this video started in 15 seconds. So don't forget to like this video and head over to Hina's channel and show her some love. Her links and everything will be down in the description box down below, so go and check them out. So without any further ado, if you want to see how I create this bead face, just keep on watching and we'll get this video started right now. And don't be afraid, I'm coming barefaced. Alright, welcome to my bare face, guys. As long as y'all don't come too close, I'm fine because I'm having a very tired looking face. Recently, it's just only the past 2 to 3 weeks, I was only having 4 to 5 hours of sleep. So yeah, moving on. What I have on my table right now. So these are all the drugstore products followed by the products that actually I got from Sephora. There are some products that I'm not going to use and most of them I'm going to use in today's video. This was going for 100 points in Sephora. So this is from Tarte, is from their Reign of the Sea collection, and this is the Mermaid Skin H2O serum. It's their H2O serum. So basically you can actually wear this alone on your face or you can wear this underneath your moisturizer. So you got to use this product upon clean and dry skin, apply all over face and neck. For best results, apply for morning and night. It also can be worn underneath your moisturizer or you can use it alone. So that I'm just going to go in and put on my primer, and this is the Prep and Perfect from Sephora. Okay, so you guys actually know that I like actually setting whatever I have on my face with loose powder first and then going in with foundation. I have actually used this product way long ago, maybe 2 years ago. So this is the L'Oreal Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I realized that this is one of the best powders that I've used. I'm so done and over with the red hair. I can't wait for it to actually wash out. I actually want to go ahead and do highlights now. But so I actually got this couple of months ago. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, so-called a highlighter, liquid highlighter, but this is actually a very sheer liquid highlighter. I'm actually going to mix this together with the foundation. I do not have any new foundations, so I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. The hair of my color actually plays a very huge part on my skin tone. See, when I use this foundation on my red hair, my face actually looks extremely yellow, but now when I use it on this hair color, it actually matches my skin tone, guys. So yeah, that is the little issue that I'm actually going through with red hair. I actually got this new one from Sephora. I don't know whether this is new, but I saw it and I thought it was interesting. This is the Sephora Highlight Low Light Face Contour, Duo Contour. I got the shade Deep Fonts, which is the same for the Sephora powder that I always use to contour. It's called Fonts Deep, but this is called Deep Fonts. So okay, so this is how it looks like. So you got the contour right here, right? Highlighter, concealer right there. So okay, it's not so far off from my skin tone. Underneath your eyes, you want to apply it nice and even underneath your eye area. Seems promising. Okay, so let me go ahead and blend out the contour first. Okay, so we're actually going to set this entire face. So I'm going in with the same L'Oreal Mercier powder to set my entire face. So the next is eyebrows. Go ahead and do my brows and I'll be back, guys. I got myself a bunch of different eyeshadow shades and they are so beautiful, and these are all from Essence. If you have not heard about them, they have beautiful shades. So I have this much of eyeshadows right here. The first one is called Chili Vanilla. Oh, they actually cut down the sizing, guys. Okay, so black is the new black from previously that I bought from Essence. They actually came out with a smaller eyeshadow shade, previously their original size, and this is how it is right now. Oh, why did they actually size it down? And then I actually found this super cute. This is actually their matte blush and their fixing powder. Can you see how adorable there is? She's so adorable. You can just throw this fixing powder in your bag. no one will even know that this is a fixing powder. I'm gonna go in with this blue shade, which is called Hollow Holic. Oh, it's a really light blue, so I'm just gonna apply that to the crease area. And then we're gonna go in with the black, which is called Black is the Black. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut my crease right now. I think this is going to end up to be a funky looking tutorial. Going to take this shade, which is called a Raspberry Frosting. Just gonna take a little bit more of the black, is the black, and just blend out the edges, guys. I'm wearing a green shirt with pink eyeshadow. Why not? Shall we try this out? This is called Stay in Coral Bay. This is like a champagne gold shade. You layer your eyeshadows, the colors actually will eventually change. And then I got actually this highlight shade, and this is called Snowflake. What did I say about intense, guys? They are really pigmented, guys. Blush. It's a very cute matte blush from them. And this is called It's Berry Time. This is your long-lasting eye pencil in the shade Berry Fantastic. I have two eyeliners which I'm gonna use in this video. One for here and one for here, guys. This is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Liner. So basically I've used the Hyper Sharp liner, the Hyper Sharp wing liner, and I am now using the Hyper Sharp Power Black liner. So we'll see how powerful black this eyeliner actually does. This is looking really nice. I actually got another one from Essence as well. This is their new Super Last Eyeliner, and it's waterproof. You know I like using the Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. It's also waterproof, so I found that I cannot have in too many waterproof eyeliners because everybody needs a waterproof eyeliner in their life. Or maybe 10. Okay, so I have like two different eyelashes that I have not tried out at all. So these are the new eyelashes that I got from Adele. This is the Adele Glamour 118 Black, and this is Adele Glamour 415. I will be going in with this one today. Black 118 Black. I'll just go ahead and put that off camera and I'll be back. Alright guys, I promise you this video is almost done. As you can see, I have the lashes on. They are absolutely, oh the background, sorry. They are absolutely beautiful, can you see? And they're so comfortable. The next one moving on is mascara. I have like two different types of mascara. One, Better Than Sex mascara. And the other one is the Stir Up Trouble with 13.7 times the lash volume Urban Decay Troublemaker Super Fat, Super Long, Sex Proof. Alright, okay, so this two mascara has the word sex in them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this two out on my eyes right now. So Urban Decay is gonna be this side, and Better Than Sex is gonna be this side. I cannot stop laughing to myself. It's because this two mascara has the reference of the word sex in it. And this is supposed to be sex proof, and this is supposed to be Better Than Sex. Okay, moving on. Alright, so that is one coat at the bottom. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but it's just one. So the next one is the Urban Decay. What's the packaging though? Oh my goodness me, this is super beautiful. Oh, it has like this kind of like fiber lashes in it. I'm not sure whether you can see it. I thought it was like eyelash. Hopefully it zooms. Can you see like there's like mini fibers in them? Oh, hopefully you guys can actually see it, but there's... And the one thing I hate about mascaras, can you see? Urban Decay, Too Faced. Urban Decay and Too Faced right here. This is 2 coats and this is 3 coats of the Urban Decay. But it touched, don't mind this. I'm gonna clear this in a second. Not to worry, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the concealer which I used just now. The sickness is cured! Most interesting thing of the night, I got myself a new highlighter. The color is amazing. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is a metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Okay, so last but never the least on my channel is this new lipstick that I actually got. This is from Skirt Rise Cosmetic. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade New York Spice. And this is a satin matte effect, so I'm just gonna try it out. Oh, the color is beautiful, guys. And we are actually done, and I didn't get myself any setting spray, so I'm just gonna go in and use my favorite ColourPop setting spray, which is the Amber Crystal setting spray. Finally, we have actually ended this video. I kind of actually like the way how all the new makeup that I've actually bought, I could create a very beautiful look. Let me know in the comments down below which are the products that you have actually tried out in this video and whether you like it. There are certain products that I have not tried out on this video yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.